Hello.
Hey guys, today we're going to be playing part 2. You don't have to do the notepad thing, your microphone is on. Oh, well, whatever.
Hello, today we're going to be doing this. Yeah, I don't know, I just somehow forgot I had a
Wait, FNF, my engine,
Yes.
apparently
my engine!
hacked
My
into my
engine!
account.
Oh my gosh! My engine.
Apparently somebody hacked into my account and made spookiness.
Oh no.
Almost published it before I slapped his hand and I stopped him. This is what's left of the archive.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's play. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. This is a Mickey.
Oh my gosh.
Where's Bambi?
The Bambi is gone. Where did he go? Where's the sound? What's going on? There's just nothing here.
Hey? What's going on? I'm scared. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, wait, what? Oh my god! That scared me. Let me free. There's a key. What key? In the main menu. Oh, alright. I suggest you hurry quick. Your line is on the line. Your line is on the line.
Your line is on the line. Your line is on the line, man. Your line is on the line. You have to listen to the money.
Perfect. Your line is on the line.
Your line is
perfect.
Definitely.
Where's the
15 seconds. Find the key. Find the key.
Where's the key?
Find the key. Find the.
Oh wait.
Bottom left. Bottom left. Bottom left.
Yay. Wait, wait, huh? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean I found the key?
He tricked you. He tricked you. It's tricked. Oh no! What happened? I can't play the game anymore. It crashed. No. 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 Rest in peace. Oh, your speaker got us. Okay. It's rippled. Ripple. Oh, what? Yo, wait. There's actually something in the background.
My tab is broken! My tab is broken!
You can't leave now.
Oh my god!
Oh, no.
My tab is broken!
What in the world?
Oh no, it's broken! Oh no!
What happened?
Thanks for nothing.
Thanks
what do you mean? You better fake me.
Fake key.
I don't care if the page is not responded. You better thank me for something. Be thankful I played this game.
Found the key. Found the key.
So what am I supposed to do? Not find the key?
You found the key. You found the key. But exit the page. Just like reloaded or something. Yeah, this is the end, guys. Bye bye. Okay, just straight up crashed.
Okay, that's all in the video. Yes. So, yes.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Or Lanky Box 15.
Okay, so,
What's that noise?
okay, so, I would like
Oh, you're
you
still
to...
recording, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm just, like, moving the camera so it doesn't look at... Oh, that's fake. I thought it was real for a second. Alright, so, subscribe to this one right here, and subscribe to this one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guess what? If you don't subscribe, your organ
These
will
three
be
will jump
gone.
you. These three will jump you.
Hello,
These
me,
three will
King of
jump you
Bedford
if you don't
Bambi.
subscribe.
I'm
These three will
back
jump
again,
you.
and today I will tell you, if you don't subscribe to these two just mentioned, I will steal your organs and use them for harvest. I will sacrifice your organ. Anyways, goodbye.